Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert date in Google Docs on computer. So how to insert date in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To add an address, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Insert menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Smart Chips menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap Date. Now here a menu like this will appear. Set the date according to the date you want to enter. Here you can also add time to this. Finish, tap OK. This feature allows users to insert dates in Google Docs manually or automatically, making it easier to record in schedule. So that's it, tutorial how to insert date in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.